Hello students, in this video I am Neeru James, your SST teacher, going to explain you about October Revolution of Russia and what circumstances came or what changes came after the October Revolution that we discuss here. Okay, so first if we will see here, before October there was one more revolution was there which we discussed in previous video, that is February Revolution, and in that main role was played by Lenin. Also he came and then he started active participation in the revolution, or active participation to change the situation of Russia or to remove the monarchy system from Russia. So here, what were the factors which led the October Revolution, that we will discuss here. So we saw here that with the help of Soviets, one government, provisional government was formed in Russia, and the October Revolution was also the main reason of October Revolution was only that there was conflict rise between provisional government and Bolshevik group of people, or you can say Lenin, who was leader of Bolshevik. So the October Revolution was the conflict between provisional government and Bolsheviks. Now here Lenin was fearing that provisional government is now becoming slowly it is becoming dictator. So in the month of September he began discussion and started gaining the support from other people. Bolshevik started collecting the support from army, and different Soviets also were there, of factory Soviets were there, trade unions were there. So what he decided, उसने decide करा, Lenin decided that he will collect the support from all the soldiers, then unions of Bolsheviks and Soviets of workers also. And on October 16, 1917, Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviet, which was the largest largest Soviet in Russia. He requested that also that support him to control the power of provisional government, and for that he made one more committee. The name of that committee was Military Revolutionary Committee, and this committee he appointed, the leader of this committee was appointed by him was Leon Trotsky, and this was decided that under the leadership of Leon Trotsky, whole the seizure of power or control of power will be done under his guidance, and revolution will start with the help of Trotsky. They will start the seizing of power. पावर को वो अपने हाथ में लेना स्टार्ट करेंगे, अपने कंट्रोल में लेना स्टार्ट करेंगे. कौन कौन? बुल्शेविक पार्टी, और बुल्शेविक पार्टी को सपोर्ट करने वाली अदर यूनियंस, अदर सोवियट्स ऑफ फैक्ट्री, अदर आर्मी सपोर्टर्स एक्सेट्रा. तो दे डिसाइडेड that they will seize the power, they will take the power from provisional government and hold the power in their hand. And for that revolution they kept the date secret, means they did not reveal the date that when they are going to have such revolution or have such events, seizing of power. Now from 16 October to 24th October, slowly when events were happening, secret activities were done by under the leadership of Trotsky and Lenin. Prime Minister who was Kerensky, रशिया का उस टाइम पर प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट के जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे वो कौन थे? केरेंस्की थे. सो ही गॉट द आइडिया दैट समथिंग इज हैपनिंग इन द सिटी, एंड he was seeing that government seized the building of two, he was seeing, and he gave the order to military to seize the buildings of बुल्शेविक न्यूज़पेपर. मीन्स जैसे उनको पता चला कि बुल्शेविक कोई इवेंट करने वाले, कोई मूवमेंट करने वाले हैं, तो उन्होंने उनके जो न्यूज़पेपर थे उनको कंट्रोल कर दिया, उनको सीज कर दिया. नाउ two Bolshevik newspaper were seized by military men. Now pro-government, provisional government troops were sent to government offices and Winter Palace to protect it from revolutionary. Revolutionary कौन थे? जो बुल्शेविक पार्टी के थे, आर्मी सपोर्टर्स थे, जो बुल्शेविक पार्टी पेट्रोग्राद सोवियत को सपोर्ट कर रहे थे. उन रिवोल्यूशनरी को कंट्रोल करने के लिए एक गवर्नमेंट जो है उन्होंने ट्रुप कॉल्ड करा, मिलिट्री जो है उसको कॉल्ड करी और विंटर पैलेस स्पेशली एंड गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स को प्रोटेक्ट करने की कोशिश की गई बाय द प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट. और उसी टाइम पे जो मिलिट्री रिवोल्यूशनरी कमेटी अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ ट्रॉट्स्की बनाई गई थी, उन्होंने स्टार्ट कर दिया था गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस को सीज करना एज वेल एज मिनिस्टर्स को अरेस्ट करना. ओके, दिस इवेंट वाज स्टार्टेड ऑलरेडी. नाउ the military revolutionary committee ordered its supporter to seize the government offices and arrest minister, and late same time the ship Aurora sailed to the Winter Palace. Also it reached to the Winter Palace, plus the other vessels from Neva also came and they occupied, they controlled all the military point, and by night within one day the city was under the control of committee. Which committee? The military revolutionary committee which was formed by Lenin. Okay, so by the month of December, almost the Petrograd area and Moscow, the area of Moscow was under the control of Bolshevik party, and now power from provisional government was in the hand of Bolshevik party and its leader Lenin. Okay, so after this event, October Revolution, what changes came in the society, that we will discuss here. So first, the changes in the October Revolution which came, that were the demand of Lenin. Lenin ने through the April thesis 3 demands put करी थी. वो 3 demands कौन कौन सी थी? कि land should be in the hand of farmers, bank should be nationalized, and one more demand was there, that was that war should be brought to close. So Lenin also worked on these 3 demands only. First thing was there that now totally as the Bolshevik and Lenin were against the private property, so what they did, one thing they did, that first step was there that industries and banks they made nationalized. Now nationalized का मतलब जो इंडस्ट्री होगी, बैंक जो होंगे, उसके ऊपर किसका कंट्रोल होगा? गवर्नमेंट विल ऑन देम एंड गवर्नमेंट विल मैनेज देम. सारे जो इंडस्ट्रीज को रन करना, बैंक को रन करना, ऑल जो डिसीजंस है वो कौन लेगी? गवर्नमेंट लेगी. सारा मैनेजमेंट गवर्नमेंट देखेगी. नाउ लैंड वाज आल्सो डिक्लेयर्ड सोशल प्रॉपर्टी एंड पीसेंट्स वेयर अलाउड टू सीज द लैंड फ्रॉम नोबिलिटी. यानी नोबिलिटी के कंट्रोल में जितनी भी लैंड थी, अब फार्मर्स को, पीसेंट्स को ये अलाउ कर दिया गया कि दे कैन सीज दैट लैंड अंडर देयर कंट्रोल. जितने भी एरिस्टोक्रेसी के ओल्ड जो टाइटल थे, हाई फाई टाइटल जो दिए जाते थे, दैट वेयर ऑल्सो closed, that they will not be any more in the use. Then another thing which change brought in Russia, that was that Bolshevik party का जो name था उसको change करके other name दिया गया. That name was Communist Party, the Russian Communist Party. So अब जो है from this time after the October Revolution, जो Bolshevik party है उसको अब किस नाम से पुकारा जाने लगा? Now it was called out Russian Communist Party. Now in November 1914, Bolshevik conducted the election. Bolshevik conducted the election for Constituent Assembly, but they did not get the majority of vote. They failed to gain majority support, and in January 1918, Assembly was rejected by Bolshevik and Lenin dismissed the assembly. Lenin said that I don't like this assembly. I want a government which is made by a government. He thought that the Russian Congress of Soviet was more democratic than an assembly elected in uncertain condition. Means he was thinking that the Congress will be formed by Soviets दैट विल बी मोर डेमोक्रेटिक देन दी जो जल्दबाजी के अंदर जो असेंबली को इलेक्ट करके जो बनाई गई थी, ही वॉज नॉट बिलीविंग ऑन दैट. एंड ऑन मार्च 1918 डिस्पाइट ओपोजिशन मीन्स, अब लेनिन ने क्या डिसीजन लिया कि ओपोजिशन होते हुए भी, किसका ओपोजिशन, बहुत सारी ऐसी सोवियट्स थी, आर्मी सोवियत थी, फैक्ट्री सोवियत थी, ट्रेडर्स की यूनियंस थी जिन्होंने लेनिन को सपोर्ट किया था. तो लेनिन चाहते थे कि जर्मनी के साथ में वो पीस ट्रीटी करें, लेकिन अदर जो पॉलिटिकल अलाइड थे लेनिन के साथ में, बुल्शेविक पार्टी की जो अदर अलाइड पार्टीज थी, वो इसके फेवर में नहीं थी. बट उनके अगेंस्ट जाकर के लेनिन ने जर्मनी के साथ में एक पीस ट्रीटी करी, एंड दैट ट्रीटी नेम्ड वाज एट ब्रेस्ट लिटोविस्क. एट द प्लेस ब्रेस्ट लिटोविस्क उन्होंने वहाँ पर एक ट्रीटी करी. एंड एट दैट टाइम बुल्शेविक बिकेम ओनली टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द इलेक्शन, और लेनिन जो थे उन्होंने रशिया को विड्रॉ कर लिया विद दिस ट्रीटी फ्रॉम वर्ल्ड वॉर. और अब पूरा जो रशिया के ऊपर कंट्रोल था वो किसका था, लेनिन एंड बुल्शेविक पार्टी का था. पार्लियामेंट में भी सिर्फ ओनली सिंगल वन पार्टी वाज देयर इन पार्लियामेंट, दैट वाज बुल्शेविक पार्टी, या फिर उसको जो न्यू नेम था हम बोल सकते हैं द रशियन कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी. और बुल्शेविक पार्टी, और यू कैन से लेनिन अपॉइंटेड सम सीक्रेट पुलिस ऑल्सो टू चेक आउट द control of government on all the places. Means if anybody was criticizing the Bolshevik, they appointed a secret police named Chekha, and later two more police group were there, OGPU and NKVD. These were appointed to see the people who were criticizing the government which was formed by the Russian Communist Party. So Lenin tried to take the control all over the control on Russia. So here this was the October Revolution, and what changes brought after October, that is here we discussed here. Now we will discuss the civil war in Russia and socialist society as well as collectivization idea of Stalin. Now students, we will discuss about civil war. In civil war, two groups were there. One side Bolshevik group was there and another side non-Bolsheviks were there. Why civil war started, that we will discuss here. So in the beginning we have seen in the chapter that when power was in the hand of Bolsheviks, that time they ordered that land need to be redistributed, and at that time when Russian army maximum number of soldiers were peasants, and when they heard about the redistribution of land, so these peasants left the army, they break up from the army and started moving towards their home. They wished to go home for the redistribution of land. Now another group was there who was involved in the fight or in the war, that was non-Bolshevik groups. And here in non-Bolshevik group of people included socialist, liberals and supporter of aristocracy, or you can say supporter of Tsar. Here some names were given to these Bolshevik as well as non-Bolshevik group of people. The fight was between red as well as one side red, that means the Bolshevik were there, and another side green and whites were there. Green were socialist revolutionary and whites were pro-Tsarist people. Here when green and white were also supported by French, American, British as well as Japanese troops. So these were the foreign group of people who supported the non-Bolshevik group of people, and all those forces who were worried at the growth of socialism in Russia. If we will know the reason that why these foreign group of people or these French and Americans and British and Japanese helped the non-Bolshevik group of people because they were worried about the spread of socialism which was spread by the Bolshevik group of people. So they thought that if they will support non-Bolshevik group of people, so what will happen? There will not be socialism in Russia as well as in Europe. Now, supporter of private property among white took harsh step and they took the land from peasants back which was seized by them at the time of रिवोल्यूशन के टाइम पर जब लैंड रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का ऑर्डर दिया गया था बुल्शेविक द्वारा और यू कैन से दैट लेनिन, सो दैट टाइम बहुत सारे पीसेंट्स ऐसे थे जिन्होंने नोबल से लैंड लेकर के उसको सीज कर लिया था. और जब सिविल वॉर का पीरियड था एट दैट टाइम दिस लैंड from peasants was taken back and such action led the loss of popular support of non-Bolsheviks in Russia. यानी नॉन बुल्शेविक जो थे वो उनका सपोर्ट खोता गया. क्यों? पीसेंट्स ने सपोर्ट देना बंद कर दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि पीसेंट्स ने जो भी लैंड सीज करी थी दैट लैंड वाज टेकन बैक बाय द गवर्नमेंट और बाय द नॉन बुल्शेविक पीपल. सो अगेन नाउ चांस वाज फॉर बुल्शेविक पीपल टू कंट्रोल द Russia and the most of the Russian empire was under the control of Bolshevik only. Now they succeeded due to the cooperation with non-Russian nationalists as well as jihadists. Means here Bolshevik were supported by non-Russian nationalists, but in Russia the local nationalists were not supported by Bolshevik party and these people were confused that whether what is the plan of Bolshevik party, what is Bolshevik government is trying to represent, because it is not in the favor of local nationalist but it need the support of non-Russian nationalist as well as Muslim Jihadist. Muslim Jihadist were the reformer or Muslim reformers in Islamic regions. Now in Central Asia, Bolshevik party had the massacre and local nationalists were killed by Bolsheviks at that time. Now, non-Russian revolutionaries who supported Bolshevik party, they were given an autonomy region and that autonomy region was under the Soviet Union or you can say USSR. The state Bolshevik created from the Russian Empire in December 1922. It means that the USSR was created by Bolshevik party in year 1922 in the month of December. Bolshevik were also not in the favor of nomadism. It means that they were not in the support of people who were nomads. Now, who were nomads? You have read in previous classes also that the people who were moving from one place to another place in search of livelihood or to earn their living. Such people were known as nomads and these were not supported by Bolshevik party. So in this way, this period when Bolshevik and non-Bolshevik were having conflict, tussle was there, that period was known as a period of civil war in Russia. Here, what was the socialist society or how socialist society was formed in Russia? So, during the civil war, when Bolshevik kept the industries and bank nationalized, we read in April thesis which were demanded by Lenin that bank should be nationalized and war should be closed as well as land should be redistributed to the peasants. So, here all the industries and bank were nationalized. It means that now they were under the control of government and managed by the government. So Bolshevik permitted the peasants to cultivate the land that had been socialized. Bolshevik used confiscated land to demonstrate what collective work could be. It means that they seized the land and then they started showing that how perfectly with the collection of land, with the confiscation of land, how they can successfully manage the nation or control the nation. Then they introduced new ideas also. They made the planning and this planning was for 5-year plan. In first 5-year plan, they decided to centralize the planning and led the economic growth of the nation. Here they planned to increase the production, industrial production, and that industrial production especially was the production of oil, coal as well as steel, and new factories were set up in Russia. During the 5-year plan, new industries were set up in Russia. Rapid construction was there in Russia, but that brought a bad time for workers also who were working in industries, because the condition in which workers were working that were very poor. The construction of steel plant was made only in 3 years. A large project was finished in 3 years in hurry, and workers were living in hard life, as well as due to that what happened, whenever work was going on continuously, when workers were working at that time, what happened, 550 time of their work was stopped within 1 year. The quarters in which workers were living, they were not of much not of good quality, and there was temperature was also below 40 degree. It means severe cold these workers were facing, and in that cold weather they had to come from 4th floor to and cross the street to go for toilet. So such type of situation these workers were facing, and they were not happy with that. Then here some new changes in this economic planning were there. So here a schooling system was developed. One new idea, new thing was established, or new change which came in Russia was there. Now schooling was becoming more effective, more developed, and arrangements were made for the factory workers and peasants to enter in universities. Means government was feeling that if these workers, these people, these peasants will be trained in universities as well as in schools, so what will happen, more efficiently they will do their work. Not only this, the women workers who were working, for them crèches were open, and these crèches were taking care of small children of women workers. Then government opened cheap health centers also to provide health facilities. Then now government started thinking about people, and it started creating model living quarters for workers to provide them better facilities and to help them in their living. So this was uneven, though, since the government resources were limited, but government tried to improvise the situation of Russia as well as Russian workers. Thank you.